Okay, guys, good morning for all. And today, inshallah, we'll continue in our lesson 5. We'll do the exercises on page 185. Some of you did it yesterday, so if you did it, just check your answers. If you not, just do it with us now in your book. You have spaces there, so you can do it in your book. Let's remember yesterday what we did. Tamim, are you with me?
Yeah.
Everything is good. Okay now?
Yeah.
My voice, my camera, everything is good?
Yeah.
Good. Now, look here, Tamim. Yesterday you asked me about this lesson. You said you have some confused things there, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, yesterday, guys, what we did yesterday? Yesterday we divide with mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. What's the meaning of mixed number, guys? It's a whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction. This we call it mixed number. It's not a fraction, and this is not mixed. It's not a whole number. It's whole number and a fraction together. We call it mixed number. Now, to divide using mixed numbers, we need to turn this mixed number to what? To fraction. How we turn this to fraction, Yatamim?
9/1.
How we turn? No, this is not 9 alone. If it's 9 alone, we call it whole number. But this is not 9 alone, it's 9 and 1/3. It's not 9, it's not a whole. It is what? Mixed number. Now, if it's 9 alone, we turn it to fraction by putting over 1, right?
Yeah.
But it's not 9. It is 9 and 1/3. It's mixed number. How we turn the mixed number to fraction? Do you know how?
9 multiplied by 3.
No. Look here. Look here. We start with down with a 3, okay?
Yeah.
3 multiply 9 plus 1. 3 multiply 9 plus 1. 3 multiply 9 plus 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Over the same denominator, which is a 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is equal to 3 times 9, 27. Plus 1, 28 over what?
3.
3. So this mixed number, I turn it to what? To fraction. Mixed number, I turn it to
Fraction.
How about this one? 2 and 3/5. Turn it to fraction.
5 multiplied by 2 plus 3.
How much?
13.
13. 13 over what?
5.
Over 5. So I turn the mixed number to what?
To fraction.
Now, in the division, if we have mixed numbers, we turn them to fraction. Then what we use? We use the formula of the division. A over B divided by C over D. We know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first fraction same, multiply D over C, then we do normal multiplication, right?
Yeah.
This is what we did yesterday, guys. So today, inshallah, we'll continue in the same idea. We'll do more exercises about it on page 185. So all of you go to this homework, guys, and let's do it. And if you have mistakes, please check your answers. We'll do all of the page, inshallah. We will do all of the page, inshallah. Now let's start with question 1. Let's start with question 1. Question 1, guys, page 185. Please, if you did it, check your answers. Don't leave mistakes. If you didn't do it now. Do it now with us. Yeah, let's start. Muhammad Kamil, read.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Muhammad.
The drama teacher is making bandanas for custom. She is cutting 1/2 yard of fabric into 6 bandanas of the same size. Write and solve an equation.
Wait, mister, wait. She is cutting what?
She's cutting 1/2 yard.
So the whole part is 1 over what? 3.
2.
Sorry,
2, mister.
2, sorry. The whole is 1 over 2. She wants to cut it to how many sections?
6.
To 6 sections. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want to split or divide this half into how many?
6 sections.
6. So our expression will be half divided by 6
6.
or 6 divided by half. Which one?
Half divided by 6.
First or second?
First.
First one, half divided by 6, not 6 divided by half. If you read the question is telling you what you will do. Cut. Cut means I will divide. Cutting means dividing. I will cut the half into 6 pieces, okay? So it's half divided by 6, not 6 divided by half. Because I saw some solutions yesterday. Few students, they wrote 6 divided by half. No, just read the question. The question said the half is cutted into 6 pieces. Okay, so it's half divided by 6, not 6 divided by half. This is wrong. Continue, mister. Half divided by 6. How we find the answer?
We put 1 over 2, then multiply 1 over 6. The reciprocal of 6.
1 over 6, because this 6 is already over what?
1.
1. Now, half multiply 1 over 6. It's equal to what?
1 over 12.
1 over 12. 1 over 12 what? Let's read the question to write the unit of it. 1 over 12 what? Continue reading.
Fabric. Yard.
Yard of, sorry, right and solve the equation. Yard. 1 over 12 what?
Yard.
That's all. Copy, guys. Again, if you did it yesterday, check your answers. It's not 6 divided by half. It's half divided by 6. By the way, if you did 6 divided by half, look here. If you did 6 divided by half, the 6 over 1 times 2 over 1, which is a 12 over 1, which is a 12. So here we have 1 over 12, but here we have what? A 12, which is, they have big difference between each other. 1 over 12 is much smaller than a 12. Okay, so they are different, guys. It's not commutative. Do question 1. This is question 1. It's easy one. Just problem solving. Read it. The question is telling you what you will do. Let's do question 2 now. Let's do question 2, guys. Yeah, question 2. Now, after we do the first 2 questions, guys, if you have questions you can ask me about. Hamad Kamil, remove your hand. Ammar.
Mister.
Yalla Ammar, read question 2.
Question 2. A landscape designer has 4 over 5 tons of mulch to divide equally among 8 customers.
Yes. Yani the question is telling you what you will do. 8 over what? Sorry, again. 4 over 5. Read again, Ammar. Read again.
A landscape designer has 4 over 5 tons of mulch to divide equally among 8 customers.
Divided equally among what?
8.
8 customers. So we have 4 over 5 tons divided equally into 8 customers. So it's 4 over 5 divided by 8, not 8 divided by 4 over 5, right?
Yes.
Now, when I know this, guys, خلاص. Our rest steps, guys, it's so easy. It's same of this, same idea, but the question is different a little bit. Continue.
Write and solve an equation to find how much.
This is our equation. It's not equation, guys. It's expression. We call it expression. Continue.
How much mulch each customer will receive?
Yeah. Tell me, Ammar, what I will do here?
4 over 5.
أيوة.
Multiplication.
أيوة.
8 over
Quickly,
1.
please. The 8 over 1, here it will be what? Do not write 8 over 1 here, it's wrong.
1 over 8.
The 8 over 1 up, I wrote it in the division part. Here in multiplication part, I will what?
1 over 8.
Tamam. This is equal. 4 times 1, 4. 5
Over
times
4,
8 is 40.
40.
Now here we can cross the 4 with 8, but it's okay if you did not. 4 over 40, it's clear, the simplest form. Divide on what, up and down?
4.
Divide on 4, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Now this is equal 1 over what?
10.
10. 1 over what? What? 1
10.
over 10 what?
10.
Tons. 1 over 8 ايش؟ ton. For each mean
For each 8 customer.
صح? Because I divided the whole 4 over 5 into 8 customers. So each one of them will get what?
1 over 10 ton.
Over 10. This is question 2, guys. Thank you, Ammar. This is question 2, guys. Copy. Copy or fix? Copy if you didn't do it. Fix your answer if you have mistakes. Now, before we continue, guys, remove your hands all, please. If you have mistakes, keep your hands. If you have a question about these 2 questions, keep your hands, please. Obey. Obey, are you here? Obey, I tried to unmute you.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, now it's good. Yes, Obey, do you have questions about 1 and 2?
No.
You put your hand, yeah, Obey. But these are question 1 and 2, guys. Obey, do for me question 3. Yeah, do for me question 3. What we have in question 3? Question 3, guys, if you know, wait, Allah. The question said divide, right, to Obey?
Yeah.
Divide, right, in what?
Simplest form.
Means this answer here is not the final answer. This one is the final answer. Be careful in your next exam, guys. If the question wants the simplest form, you need to continue. You need to make the simplest form, okay? We said that thousands of times, so do not forget that in the next exam, please. Yalla, let's go to question 3 now, ya Ubay. What we have? It's direct question. It is direct question. The question gave you 2 numbers and you need to divide them. What we have in a question 3?
2 and 4 over 5.
2 and 4 over 5 divided by
4.
Divided by 4. Divided by 4. 2 and 1 over 2 and 4 over 5 divided by 4. Yalla Ubay, what we need to do here? Is it ready?
No.
It's not ready. I need to prepare the question,
5
guys.
multiply 2 plus 4.
Yalla, 5 times 2.
5 times 2, 10. 14.
Plus 4. 14 over 5.
Over
right?
5. Yeah.
Now this 4 is over what?
1.
So
now put multiply.
Aywa.
And 1 over 4.
Excellent boy. Yeah. Now 14 multiply 1.
14.
14. 5 multiply 4. 20.
20.
Right?
20. No.
Now, is this the final answer?
No.
No, we need to simplify it. How we simplify it, guys? If you forgot, let's remember together. 14 and the 20, you go here beside and you make 14 and 20, and they try to find something, we call it greatest common what? Factor. It's important. Now, what are the numbers? If you multiply them, you get 14. We have 1, 14, 2, and 7, right? How about the 20? We have 1, 20, 4, 5, 2, and 10, right? Now, the one, forget it. The one is not useful here in our work. But what we have, the common, only one number is common between them, right? So the greatest common factor is what? Is 2. So I'll go back to my fraction here. And what I will do, Ya Ubay?
Divide 2, divide 2.
Yalla, 14 divided by 2, how much?
7.
Over?
7 over 10.
10. Now let's go back here, guys. Here, the final answer, 1 over 12. Up is less than down, right?
Yeah.
So no need to divide and make it mixed number. Here also, after we simplify, up is less than down. No need to divide to make simplest 4. Here, to make mixed number, sorry. Here also, up after we simplify, up is less than down. No need to simplify and make long division to make it mixed number. So after we simplify, guys, if up is less than down, we stop. This is our final answer. Got it? Good boy. Let's continue, guys. This is question 3. Let's go to question 4 now. This is question 3, guys. Copy or fix or check your answers, please. Sorry. Yalla, let's go to question 4 now. Right. Tamim. Yalla, Tamim, do for me question 4.
Okay.
Yesterday you asked me about, yeah.
Yeah, 6 and 2 over 3. Divide by 8.
6 and 2 over 3 divided by what?
8.
Yeah, equal.
3 multiply 6 plus 2.
Come.
$25.
Habib, Allah يسعدك. 3 multiply 6 كم؟ ايش مالك؟ 3 multiply 6 how much؟ الله ايوه يا حبيبي تميم.
Yes, mister.
3 multiply 6 how much؟
18.
18 plus 2
20.
So what I will write here, tell me.
20 over 3.
بس صعبة هاي. Is it difficult? 20 over 3. طب هاي ال 8 شو أعمل فيها؟
We'll make it a fraction.
يلا it's over.
One over
يلا what I will do, tell me now what I will do. يلا
20
بسرعة يا
over
تميم.
3 multiply 1 over 8.
1 over 8. Is this difficult يا تميم؟
No.
يلا what I will do now.
Multiply.
يلا يا حبيبي اعمل multiply تغلطنيش. 20 multiply 1
equal 20.
20. 3 multiply 4.
No,
Sorry, 3 times 8.
3 times 8 equal 27. No, sorry, 21.
تمام خلينيش نرفز. 3 multiply 8 how much?
Can I say it, mister?
كم يا أبي؟
24.
24 يا تميم. تميم صح. Okay. Now we have a 20 over 24. What I need to do يا تميم here?
Simplify, mister. Simplify.
Yeah, let's simplify. Let's take the 20 beside. and the 24 beside. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are the numbers? If you multiply them, you got to 20. We have 1, 20, 4, 5, 2, and 10. Right?
Yeah.
These numbers, guys, we call them what? Factors of a 20. Factors of 20. Now, what are the factors of 24? We have a lot. 1, 24, 3 with 8, 6 with 4, 2 with 12, right?
Yeah.
Now, what are the common? Now, one, forget it. It's not useful. What are the common up and down? We have 2 here and here,
And 2.
right?
Yeah.
We have 4 here and here, right? Else,
Only.
huh?
Nothing, Mr.
Nothing. Now, we have 2 common and 4 common. So what's the GCF here?
2 and 4.
لا. What's the meaning of the letter G? G means what? Greatest. Greatest. الكبير يعني. مين
Yeah,
الكبير؟ Huh?
4.
4. So the GCF is what?
The 4.
So I'll go back here and divide up and down with
4.
the GCF. Now this is equal. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 24 divided by 4 is what?
6.
6. So up, after I simplify my answer, up is less than down. So we stop. This is our final answer. خلاص. This step is not included in the solution. This step you do it beside and then ignore it. We don't need it here. This is our solution, guys. So I will erase this. I will erase it. We don't need it. This is question 4. Copy. Copy, guys. Copy. Don't leave spaces. We will meet, inshallah, in the school. Later or sooner, we will meet here. And I will check your box all. Question 5. This is question 4, guys. We did it. Ubay and Tamim, remove your hands, guys. I want to take new students. Abdul Rahman Adel. Abdul Rahman.
Mr. I do number 5.
Good. Check your answers with us. Yalla.
Yeah, I'll do the page and I'll check.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Ubay. Abdul Rahman, where are you? I want you to answer. I try to unmute you. طيب. طيب. Abdul Rahman, don't know what's the problem. Let's take another one. Ahmed Najid. I'll try later, Abdul Rahman. Ahmed Najid. Yalla, Ahmed. Question 5. What we have?
4 and 2 over 3 divided
4
by
and 2 over 3 divided by what?
6.
6. Yalla.
First up, we multiply and add 4. First up, 4 multiplied by 3 plus 2.
Aywa.
4.
How much?
14 over 3.
Excellent. 3 times 4, guys, 12 plus 2, 14 over the same number down. Then
We jot down divide, but we turn it to multiply.
yalla, I multiply. Then
We put 6 over 1. It became 1 over 6.
come on, 1 over 6. Yalla. Now 14 times 1 is
14.
3 times 6 is
18.
now what I need to do?
Find the greatest common factor.
Yeah. The GCF, guys, will do the same steps which we did here in the 20 and the 24, but for 14 and 18. The GCF will be what? 2. So here I will divide by 2 up and down, and this will be what, ya Ahmed?
7/9.
7/9. Now 7 is less than 9. Do we need to divide?
No.
No, this is our final answer. It is 7/9. This is question 5. Good, yeah.
Thank you.
Abdurrahman Adel, are you with me now? You are unmuted. You can talk. Hello. طيب ماشي. Abdurrahman, are you here? طيب, sorry Abdurrahman, check your mic. Maybe you have some problem there. Hamza Amr. Hamza.
Yes, Mister.
يلا يا حمزة.
Number
Question
6.
6 يا حمزة. يلا.
3 and 3/5 divided by
3
1.
and شوي حبيبي. 3 and
3/5.
3/5 divided by
1 and 1/2.
1 and 1/2. Now, what's the difference? What's the difference between this question and this question, ya Hamza? What's the difference between them?
The first question, they have only one mixed number. This question, they
But
have
here, both are mixed
Mixed
numbers, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what I need to do, the first step, I will need to prepare the fractions, right?
Yes.
Yalla, tell me what I will do.
3 multiplied by 5.
5 times 3. Start from down, guys. From down, عشان ما تخربط. Always start from down. ها سهلة. يلا يا حمزة.
5 multiplied by 3, 15. Plus
أيوة.
3, 18.
كم؟
18.
18 over
5.
Okay, then
By 2 multiplied by 1 equal 2 plus 1, 3/2.
3/2. What I need to put between them, ya Hamza?
Multiply.
Multiply? No, this is wrong. I'm still preparing. When I put multiply, if I switch, is it ready to switch?
No.
No, so I'm still in the dividing step. لا تخربط. دير بالك تخربط في هذه. اوعى. Here, I'm still preparing the fractions. I'm not dividing yet. If you put multiply and you multiply, this is wrong, all of it. It's not ready. Here, I put multiply because the preparing of 6 is easy. I put over 1, then I switch. But here, I'm still preparing. I'm not dividing yet. So this is still divide. Now they are ready both. What I will do?
We will do 8 multiplied by 3.
Yeah. يا مستر ركز الله يسعدك.
Eight
انت سمعت
divided
شو
by
حكيت
three.
انا؟
8 divided
انت
by
سمعت
3.
Mister, did you hear what I said now? Did you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. What I will do now? Tell me.
We will do 18/5 multiply
What?
2/3.
Multiply 2/3. If you switch, but multiply. Got it? Now what? Now normal multiply. عادي. 18 times 2, 36. 5 times 3, how much?
15.
Now, what's the first step we need to do in simplifying this answer, ya Hamza?
Simplest form.
Yeah, the simplest form. The GCF between these two numbers, guys, if you make GCF, and I don't want to make it, خلاص, you need to make it by yourself. If you make it, the GCF is a 3. So I'll divide up and down with what, ya Hamza?
3.
Yalla, what's the answer up will be? Division. It will be 12, Habibi. 15 divided by 3, how much?
15 divided by 3 equal 5.
Now, 12 over 5, I did simplest form. Is it the final answer now?
No.
So what I need to do? Look,
Divide.
guys, up is more than down. In the previous questions, all of the final answers were up less than down. But here, up more than down. What I need to do?
We need to divide.
يا ابني ركز ركز. Divide. الله يسعدك. It will divided by 5. How much?
2.
2 up. 2 by 5, 10. Subtract 2, صح?
Yes.
Yalla, what's the final answer now?
2 and 2 over 5.
Excellent. 2 and 2 over 5. 2 and 2 over 5. So we have this answer first. I simplify it to this. Then I make it mixed numbers. So 3 steps for the answer, guys. Be careful. In your next exam, in the final answers, you will find this as an answer. Not this and not this. So focus, please. This is question 6. Let's move to question 7 now. Guys, I'm running out of time, so let's do question 7 as Saria. Let's check. Question 7, we have 3 and 3 over 4, 1 and 2 over 3. 3 and 3 over 4 divided by 1 and 2 over 3. As Saria, because I'm running out of time, guys. 3 and 3 over 4, turn it to fraction. 12 with 3, 15 over 4. Here, divided by 3 by 1, 3 with 2, 5 over 3. 15 over 4 divided by 5 over 3. I'm still dividing. Now I will make my multiplication step. Multiply 3 over 5. I can cross the 5 with 15, but let's multiply normally. It's 45 over 20. Now both can divide on 5, divided by 5 up and down. Up will be 9, down will be 4. Up is more than down, so I need to make what? Long division. 2, 8, subtract 1. So the final answer is 2 and 1 over 4. 2 and 1 over 4. This is question 7, guys. Quickly, because I'm running out of time, let's finish the page here. This is question 7. Question 8. We have in question 8, we have 4 and half, 2 and 7 over 10. 4 and half divided by 2 and 7 over 10. Sorry. 4 and half divided by 2 and 7 over 10. Good. Now here's same idea. I will turn both to fractions. This is 9 over 2 divided by 27 over 10. 2 by 4, 8 with 1, 9, and 10 by 2, 20 with 7, 27. Now 9 over 2 multiply 10 over 27. Now do normal multiplication. This is 90 over 2 by 27, 54. 90 over 54. Up and down, both can divide on 9. Or you can cross the 9 with the 27, 10 with 2, you can do that. Now here, up will be 9, down will be 6. We can simplify more, both can divide on 3. Up will be 3, down will be 2. And make long division, it will be 1 and 1 over 2. Sorry, 3 divided, let me check, 54 divided by 9, 6. 9 over 2, they multiply by 10 over 27, 90 over 4, do 1. divide by 9, divide by 9. Sorry, this is 10, guys. 90 divided by 9 is 10, is not 9. So just give me a minute. I have a mistake here. Here, guys, 90 divided by 9 is 10. I wrote it 9 by mistake. So here, 10 over 6, we can divide on 2 more. Divide on 2, divide on 2. This will be 5 over 3. Now, if you make long division, it will be 1 and 2 over 3. This is the final answer, 1 and 2 over 3. 1 and 2 over 3. This is question 8. Now, question 9, I think it's a problem solving. I have 3 and 7 over 8 yards of fabric. How many pairs of shorts? So we divided 3 and 7 over 8 divided by 1 and 1 over 4. Short can she get? 3 and 7 over 8 divided by 1 and 1 over 4. Question 9, guys, is 3 and 7 over 8 divided by how much the shorts need. The shorts need in the table. If you see the table, it's 1 and 1 over 4. So you divide this mixed number, the whole piece of fabric, into 1 and 1 over 4. And you will do your steps in the same way. The final answer will be 3 pairs. 3 pairs of shorts in question 9. Question 10, guys, the final answer will be, after you make the division in similar way, the final simplified answer, it is 1.5. This is the final answer. So check your answers, guys. This is the page of the exercises which you did, which it should be done by yesterday, and now you just only checking your answers and understand them. Thank you so much. Tamim, you can stop it. And tomorrow, inshallah, guys, we'll take a new lesson. Thank you.